We are having lesson 38, worksheet 37. Let's take a look at the questions. Okay, since you're already here, it's already 1 p.m. We just go ahead with what we need to do first. Okay, I want you to do in the chat function. Okay, question 1. I'm going through this when he wants it to be nearest 100. Okay, so 100 has how many zero? 2 zeros. So we count 1, 2. Draw a line, underline this. Okay, so it's a 4. So as long as it is 4 and less, we do not have to change the hundreds place here. Then this will remain as 0, 0. So rounding off will give me 36,500. Okay, 36,500 will be for number 8. All right. So question number 2. Arrange the following fractions from the greatest to the smallest. So now we have 3 fractions, 7, 12. We have this, we have this. Now, from here, we are very clearly known that this one is the smallest because this is smaller than half. If you take a look, this one is greater than half. How do you know it's greater than half? Because if you see, you have from here to here, you have 12, 12, right? You have 1, 12, 1, 12, right? Sorry, 0 lah. So this is 0. So 6, 12 is here, ma. Here is 7, 12, right? So this one must be greater than half, lor. Okay. Then after that, what happened next is I need to look for this. Also, 0. This is 3/3. So this is 1/3. This is 2/3, right? So this one is also greater than half. Okay, because my half is here, right? So if my half is here, tolong line. That's, and where is 2/3? 2/3 is somewhere here. This is 1. So again, this is also greater than half. Because this 2/3 is here. So 7, 12 is here, right? So since this is greater than half and this is greater than half, the smaller than half will be the 1/4. So this is the smallest. So 1/4 is here. So therefore, the answer is 8. Okay? I'm sorry, greatest. Answer is this. Starting with the greatest. So the smallest is 1/4. So 1/4 is the only answer. Okay, for this lah. But what happens if they ask you to rearrange which will be a greater fraction? So now the critical part is you must identify 7, 12. Okay, I'm going to put a line here. 7 out of 12 versus 2 out of 3. So I just change it to 12 lor. I times 4 times 4. I got 8, 12. 7, 12. So this one must be a greater fraction, right now? This is greater among the 3. Okay? So this 2/3 is the greatest. Okay? Or the 2/3. D. Needless to say, 2/3 is in the middle. Can or not? Understand? Who don't understand? Put up your hand. 乐西可以哦，乐西。Can Gerald, you understand or not, Gerald? Can Okay, Gerald, can you sit up straight? Sit up straight so you can focus better. Don't lean against. Lean against, it become very sloppy. Okay. Mm. In the diagram, what is the length of pencil in centimeter? So since it starts from 0, that's very good. So that's where you need to see where it stops. Okay. So from here, it's between 6 and 7. So you have to count. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 6.8 centimeter. And that is to be. Okay. How many children gave away at least 2? So at least 2 is here, ma? Okay. Can you change this to have at least 2 books? Here, sorry, I change. Here are books, right? So change this to books, Okay. So you want to have at least 2. That means this is the one here. So how many children gave away at least 2? You must have 5, 10, 6, 3. So you have 5, 10, 6, 3. You will get down to 24. Okay. Next question. This is slide number what? Slide number 3. Yeah. Okay. Next question. Max has a mass of 46.8, and the sister is lighter. So lighter means you get to find the sisters first. The sister has a shorter bar, right? So if the sister has a shorter bar, meaning to say Max must have a longer bar. .2. Okay, lighter. So Max will be 46.8. So you have to find total mass. Before you go for total mass, you must find out what is the sister's mass first. Okay, so for sister's mass, you have to get 46.8 to minus 7.2. Okay, hello, Melva. Yeah, Melva, are you there with me? Yeah, just to check, you are now outside, is it? Okay, all right, I have a message for you at the chat function. Okay, yeah. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Melva, then do it this way. You can turn off video for your case, Okay, the rest of them cannot, only for Melda. Okay. All right. For Melda, you can also participate, doesn't mean that you turn it off, then you don't participate. Mm, just use the chat function. Okay, the reason is because when we come to extra question, then I'll need you what to do. Hmm. Okay, so I continue from here is you have 46.8 to find the minus 7.2 to find the sisters. The sisters will be 39.6. So this one I erase and then I put there as 39.6 for the sister. Okay, since you have both, then you have to add both the mass together. 46.8 and 39.6, that will give me 86.4 here. Okay, now show your working, please show workings here. So this is your working space. You need to do it. Oops. Sorry, what happened here? Oops. Question. 5/6 of a number is 45. So since you know that this is 5/6, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5/6 refers to here, here. And this is 45. Meaning to say, you have 5 units here. So what is the number? Is the one that is asking for, whole entire thing. So 5 units will be equals to 45, and you are looking for 6 units. Now, maybe I also introduce this overhead bridge. Okay, look at here. 5 units will give you 45, and now I'm looking for 6 units. Now, some of them will say, sure, I find 1 unit first, then I times 6 lah. 10. Now, I want to introduce you this method, we call it the overhead bridge. Very interesting one. So how does this overhead bridge? Using your escalator up, using your crossing the bridge, escalator down, and you cross the bridge. Look out for what? First thing, look out. No, first thing I will start doing what? Column. Okay, where's the column? The column is here, the 5 units. So unit column and volume, value column. Okay, the unit versus the value. So all must be in this place. Where is the question mark? Okay, put the question mark and start from there. So you start from here, right? Get up the escalator here. So what do you see here? 45. Next thing, you cross the bridge. What must you do? Divide. What do you divide? 5. Get down your escalator. What do you see? 6. So times 6. For the start, some of them don't like it one. But this is good for you to go on to P5, P6. Okay? So you get 54. What do I call this? Using overhead bridge. Okay? This one. Lucy shown this before because you newly joined us also. Did I show this before during lesson? No, so this is something new for you. Do you want to jot it down into your journal? Gerald, why are you putting your leg up like that? Sit up straight, putting your legs down. Come on. Yeah. Please, Okay. I leave this slide on for 1 minute. For those who need to write it down,